Hi, my name is Zephanasia Lewis, and I'm here with the Motivated Moneymaker YouTube channel. In today's video, we'll be talking about SurveyJ. Is it legit or is it a scam? That's for us to find out. But before I continue, please hit the like and subscribe button and turn on post notifications so you can be the first to know when I upload a new video. Without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's talk about SurveyJ. SurveyJ is another survey platform. You could think of it like inbox dollars or swag bucks, just with a higher payout. You can download games, take surveys, and do a host of other things to make money. Now, if you're anything like me and are always looking for ways to make money online, then you probably have come across several survey platforms where they pay you little to nothing for practically your entire life story. And that was me. I've done a lot of surveys. And so when my dad brought this SurveyJ to my attention, I was very skeptical. I did push back a lot, or not a lot, but a little bit, because again, I've taken a lot of surveys and I thought this was just another one of those platforms where I would get paid little to nothing for my information. But as my dad continued to come on, please try it out, please look it out, look at it, I decided to. I said, I'll look at it, I'll create an account, look around, see what it's about. So I did. I created an account and I was looking at the leaderboards. I looked at everything that had to offer within the platform, and I was like, no, maybe there is some potential here. And I gave it a shot. I started downloading games. I started taking some of the surveys and claiming additional money they gave for completing a certain amount of actions. And before I knew it, I actually accrued a lot of money, a lot more than I actually expected. Again, my expectations were I was going to make a couple of cents for these surveys, these games, and it was the exact opposite. I actually ended up making a lot of money from this. And I don't want to tell you just how much I made. I think I would rather show you just what I did and how you too can get the most out of this platform to make the most money. So without further ado, I'm going to take you guys to my laptop and show you the platform, how to use it, and how to make the most money out of it. All right, so this is the SurveyJ dashboard. This is what the first page you'll see after you register and create yourself an account. So as you can see, I've made $1,402. And as you continue to scroll down, you'll see your referral link. This is mine right here, which I will leave in the description down below. So that way you can actually be taken to the site. So you can register to create your account. So again, in the description. And then as you keep scrolling down, you'll see more and more ways to earn. You'll see the leaderboard right here, how much people are making. So this guy has almost $600,000, almost $400,000, and so on and so on. So people are making a lot of money from this. So the first thing I want to show you guys is the survey wall. Okay, oops, let me click it again. Okay, so as you can see, you can do multiple things. You can take surveys, and if you do this on your phone, they actually have apps that you can download to make money from. So as you can see right here, you can make $60 from taking surveys, entering your email. But for the games on your phone, you can actually make $40 per app that you download, which is kind of nice. So there's all these surveys you can take to make $60. And so there's that. And let's say you want to post this on social media to get more money, because that's how you make additional money. You can get $15 per person that signs up from your referral link, and then you get $2 additional from them clicking the link. So you can do that. So I'm going to take you guys to the social post rewards. Okay, so they have a bunch of social media platforms you can post to. You post to Snapchat, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. With TikTok being the most, you can make $80 just from posting a TikTok. They do have to approve it, but I don't see any reason why they wouldn't. And so you can do that. Again, you could probably most likely do one of these down here just to be on the safe side. And when you click on them, I'll just click on one of these. For example, I'll click on Instagram Reels. When you click on them, they'll give you instructions. Step one, submit your Instagram Reels to earn $20. And then you have to be sure to put this caption in your Instagram caption. And then once you complete the reel, you've uploaded it and it's out there to the world, copy that link and put it right here in step 3 to submit your reel. And you would just do that for all of them. You would go back, do whichever ones you want, follow the instructions, and they'll review it and they'll let you know what happens. But for the most part, people do get paid for this. There's really never no reason that you shouldn't, as long as you follow all the instructions. So there's that. Is let's say you don't have anything to create. You want to do the social media, but you don't have the images or the videos that you want to use. You can go here and you can use these. You can right click and save link as, or copy image, save image as in your computer and then upload it, or whatever you need to do. But if you don't have any content about SurveyJ and you don't feel like creating any, do click right here and you'll get several posts you can use, especially on Instagram, to promote SurveyJ. Now, one of my favorite ways to make money on here is one of the simplest ways too. Click right here to daily rewards. Okay. And so you can make money, additional money, based off the amount of offers you complete. And this was how I made most of it, because after you complete one offer, you get $100. After you complete 3 offers, you get 300, and so forth. And you can do it with invites, offers, and such. And so I did that, and I got the 100 plus the 300 plus the 500, and that accumulates over time. So that's how I ended up making most of my 1400, just by completing the offers, coming here to redeem them, and so forth. And this is something you most definitely do want to take advantage of. And you can do this every day. Actually, this is a daily thing. Every day you can redeem an additional $100, $300, $500 just for completing offers and getting more invites. So there's that. Next, I want to show you guys the badges. You can earn badges, which is another way to make more money. So you have bronze earner, silver earner, and unlike the daily rewards, this is based on totality. So everything you've done. So once you complete a certain amount of offers, you become a certain earner. Referral, same thing. And so once you see, you can actually start earning money here as well. Like right here, if you want to complete 25 offers, you'll receive an additional $2,500 and so forth. Let's say you are a platinum referrer, you get 100 referrals, you can earn $10,000, an additional $10,000. And so that's how people are making a lot of money. The more offers you complete, the more referrals you complete, the more money you can receive, which is crazy. And then additionally, I want to show you the hourly giveaway. You can join the giveaway. They do every hour on the hour. And it's you can make additional money. The giveaway right here is $30, which is kind of nice. All you have to do is just hit join giveaway, and now you're in. You just have to show up every hour to win the giveaway prize, and the giveaway prize is never always the same. It may be more, it may be less, but you have to be there to join and maybe win. You never know. Okay, so there's that. And next thing I would like to show you is the cash out. So this is where you can cash out, but there are certain requirements you do have to complete before you can cash out. You have to get everything to 100%. So right now I'm at 6% with clicks, but I do have all my surveys complete. So 25% of the way done, a little bit more than 25% considering my clicks. But there's that. And then you also have invites and your referral commission. So once you get all those up, all those to 100%, then you are ready to request your payment. And from there, as long as you have your payments method set up, there's really nothing more to do. I mean, your account settings, you can go here, set up your payments, and if you need additional help, I recommend going to here, help and frequently asked questions. So there's that, and that's really it. That's the totality of SurveyJ. So, is it legit or is it a scam? Right now, I'm going to label it legit because I have no reason to label it otherwise. As we've seen on the leaderboards, people are making hundreds, if not thousands of dollars from SurveyJ. And recently, I actually just got a call from my dad, the one who urged me to join the platform and to participate and start doing the surveys and downloading the apps. He just recently informed me that he cashed out $5,000 from SurveyJ. He would be receiving $5,000 to his PayPal in about a month. And it takes about a month because they have to verify the clicks and make sure that everything was done properly. But in a month, he'll actually be receiving $5,000 from this platform. And I'm hoping to do the same, if not more. And if you are too, don't forget to click the link in my description and earn yourself $40 when you sign up. And also, don't be afraid to send out your referral links to others, because once they click on it, that's an additional $2. And then when they sign up, you get an additional $15 from that. So please do not hesitate to send out your links to anyone. And so that looks like the end of the video. If you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe and turn on post notifications, because I do plan on creating more videos in the future. With that being said, that's it, guys. Until next time, take care and stay safe.